So one letter is randomly chosen from each of the two words maths and SAMMY. Now the things that we're going to answer out here is we're going to list all the possible outcome in the table. So here that's going to, but first let's go how many are we going to have them. Now first there are how many letters for maths? That's going to be maths. Maths is about 5 and Sammy is also 5. So that's going to be 5 times 5. That is 35. Not 35. It's 25 then. Okay, it goes to 25. So that means the total that we're going to have is about 5. Now, let's try to make out a list of the table of outcomes then. Now, since we have the words Sammy and Matt, so let's write down here, downward, we have Matt, and next one here above, let's move that down here. The other one is that we have is Sammy then. So Sammy, wait, yeah. So Sammy then for that one. Sammy, oh, sorry for that. So Sammy for this one then. Okay, so we have the Sammy. Now let's see out all the tables that it shows down here. Okay. Now for the Sammy that we have here, we have S and M MS. Okay. AS, TS, HS, then S and S. Okay, so also we have here A, A of A. Next one is T of A. Now H of A and S of A then. Okay, so that's the one then. Now here we have for the M. So we have M and A and M, T and M, H and S and M. Okay, so that's those one. Now here we have another M and M, A and M, T and M. Now H and M and S and M. Okay, and the last one that we have here is oh, M and Y, A and Y, T and Y, H and Y, and last one is H and Y. Okay, so counting out down here, there's about the number that we have. The total is goes to 25. Okay, so that's for the letter A. So we have here a table for that shows it's 25 then. Now, the second question states that we are going to find the probability of each of the following events. Now here, two letters chosen are in the same. Now looking out for here, two letters are the same. Looking out the figure that we have for two letters are the same. We have one for that one. Let's see. One, two, three, and okay. Wait a moment. We have So one, two. Oh, okay. Yes. Oh, yeah. The A and A then three. All right. So that's going to be about four of them. So we can find out here for B. Our first one, there's about like writing out. Then we have M and M and M and M. Next one, we have A and A. Okay. Now, and the other one is S and S. Okay, there we go. That's four. So we got to write a probability of two letters then. Letters. So the probability of two letters are then, that's going to be about equals to 4 out of 25. Now, the answer for that would be 0.16. Now, finding out for the percentage for that one, that's going to be or about 16% then. Okay, now moving on for the second question then, for the B, is that two letters chosen are both of vowels. Now, looking out for the vowels, what are the vowels that we have here? Okay, we have only letter A. Now, it says that two letters are vowel. So that means there's only A. So now, one more time, let's go back and have a short review then. So for the second one states that two or R, which one is vowels. Now, what are vowels? We have E, I, O, and U then. Now, so the vowels that we have, and remember there's about then, so probability of two vowels, that's going to be about 1 out of 25. Or giving out for a percentage out one, so the answer would be out 0.04 or about then here as 4%.